Hi, Sons of Tundra. Not much. Getting a late start, but start nonetheless, so pretty good. How about you? Or what's up with you? Why is this not working? For some reason, the Twitch app is kind of ass. It's gotten better, but... Oh, hello! Welcome back, TMO. Got a new game that you think I would enjoy? Alright, what is it? Is it that new French game? Somebody was talking about that yesterday. Resident Evil 4 Remake. Okay. I've never played any of the Resident Evils, but I bet I would like them. Oh, Sounds of Tundra, sorry. Just another day at the office. Nice. Oh, did you check Pico Park? No, I did not. I did write it down. Let me look at it right now. What is Pico Park? Is it new to you, TMO, or is it that's a new Resident Evil that dropped? I don't get this. Oh, it's a co-op game. I forgot. I was looking at it as if single player. Okay, so these are all. This is like 4 players. I don't get it. Steam, Switch, Xbox, and Windows. That's pretty good. Let's see how much it is on Steam. Oh, thanks for following, Ystone. Ystone? Something like that, right? Appreciate you coming in here. Alright, what's it called? Pico Park. Oh, it's only like $9. That's not bad. I'll just wait for it to go on sale. I bet it'll go on sale for 50% off at some point. The first one's only $5, so maybe I'll do that one. Oh, there's a free version. What is that? Anyways, I'm gonna put it on my wish list. No, Pico Park. Hey. Yeah. Is the second one better? Should I wait for the second one? There we go. What we hack it? Oh, today I'm gonna be running through the starting point again. I already ran through it, but I'm gonna be going back and taking notes. I'm gonna do Mongod from starting point tier 0. Starting with this, hopefully I'll get through at least this one, and maybe 1 or 2 more. Yesterday I got through all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I was able to get through 6 of them, so that was good. Not anything intense today, Ystone. Yeah, I got a pretty bad typo in my last message. Sorry in advance. Oh, okay. New to me, I guess. I never played the original, but I did equal the Resident Evil 2 remake. Oh, you did play the Resident Evil. Gotcha. Fun. I need to finish that at some point, working on OffSec Web 200. What kind of platform is that? I'm not familiar with what you're talking about, Wystone. What up, Jug Pearl? Yeah, not much, just getting started. Haven't really started yet, but I'm about to. Oh, I must have left a machine running? Because it will not. Oh, I have to do. I like this music. Good. Add this to the playlist. Good afternoon, Bavlov. Just getting started. So, how are you, Bavlov? Sorry, guys. 1 second while I get this set up. Bad. Oh, it's over. Other half. There we go. Now we're cooking. Why do me the lights too? Oops. Too late now. Can't be messing with that right now. Psyched! Oh, long day, Bavlov? I'm good, very tired. I still need to go to the grocery shop. Yeah, it's always a drag when you have to go to the grocery store after a long day. Happy hacking to you as well. Hope you get home soon. OMG, it's Hacker Woman Day. Hope you're doing well. Nice to see you. Psyched. And Standard Pointer. Hello, welcome in. Alright. It's gonna be another semi-boring day, I think, of me just doing some review. But I'm really happy with how it went yesterday. I was able to get a lot of good notes in and a lot of refresh, so let's see how it goes today. Why isn't it letting me spawn the machine? So I must have left something open. No, I didn't leave any of them on. Huh. Why is it not letting me spawn the machine? Very strange. Okay. I guess let's restart it? Refresh it? That'll work? Oh, there we go. Don't despair. I'll tune in after groceries. Alright, sounds like a good deal. Sons of Tundra, I have yet to see a boring day in the stream. That's good to hear. And I just ate some fish sticks, so I should be good on breaks for a little bit. I feel like yesterday I was taking a lot of breaks or something. I don't know. Kept getting up. Which is actually good for me to get up, because, I don't know. Circulation, blood flow, something or other, right? Speaking of, here's some water. Definitely not feeling this music though. Stretching is always good. Yeah. Man, I've been in PT too for my right foot. My right leg's kind of like wonky from sports growing up, but it feels so good. It's freaking amazing. Just, I don't know. They're like magic workers, I swear to God. They know magic. I wish I knew more about anatomy, but it's so much memorization. I never got into it. The army wore out my entire right side. Car accident and Jan didn't help. Oh, yikes. I hope you get into some PT and avoid surgery. That's kind of like where I got to the point where like I had been ignoring my wonkiness for so long that I was like, you know, if I keep doing this forever, I'm gonna eventually need surgery, and so trying to avoid that. Anyways, let's do some hacking. Go PT, not chiropractor, was great for me. Yeah, I've heard like mixed things about chiropractors. Like I think you just have to get lucky and get a really good one. Like I think a lot of them they have the potential to do more harm than good, from my understanding. I don't like this song either. What's with the music today? Oops. Or maybe it's just my mood. I don't know. Maybe I'm not in the mood for any of that. All right. And all right, let's do our end map first. Get her going. See if the standard scan will work. Oh, that was really fast. All right, cool. We got 3 ports. No, sorry, I'm blind. 1 port. I was reading these as ports. 22. All right, we like 22. We love to see it. SSH. Nice. That means that we're gonna get a nice stable shell right off the bat once we get it. I don't remember MongoDB at all. Oh, let me pull up my notes for it. I have a little bit of notes. Oh, Mongosh is the, what do you call it? The command line prompt thing? Or what do you, not the prompt, I should know this. I refreshed on it yesterday. Shell? No, like, you know when you're using a program and you use thanks for following X Flip Styles. What is it? Mongosh? Like MongoDB's CLI like command is Mongosh. I guess it's the command? CLI command? I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Okay, never mind. All right, so there was only 1 TCP port open. Oh, it said 2. Okay, so let's do a different nmap scan, I guess. Let's do maybe sudo. I don't know if sudo will help. But we only got 1, so I need to find the other one. Let's do PN, I guess. SVC. I have elected to not go to the grocery store, way too tired. I hear ya. Fair enough. I don't know, some people get their like groceries delivered. Is that an option? Just like do an Instacart or something? Okay, that gave us the same thing back. Okay, so let's look at the write-up and see what they did in their Nmap. So they did min rate 100. Isn't that the speed of the scan though? So they did all ports, so that's what they did. So we want to do that. So we don't even need this, we need P. I think that'll get us there. It's too expensive. I'm living on grant money right now. Oh yeah, I hear ya. It is expensive. And like, the annoying thing is I've done it a couple of times. I've tried to like get my groceries delivered, but like half the things would not be in stock or something, or I don't know if it's, I don't know. I never got what I ordered in full a couple times that I did it, so I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's worth the expensiveness, even if you do have the money. But like, if you're really tired and it's like a last resort situation, then I guess it's a little different. Oh my god, the music today is driving me nuts! It's so bad. It's like trying to put me to sleep, and that is not the goal. At all. Yeah, the speed of a scan can determine if some ports get scanned or some are not sometimes, so sometimes slower is better. Okay. It feels like they just throw DoorDash logic at the grocery thing. Kinda never works. Yeah, some people swear by it. I've known some people that like they only order groceries, and they claim, one of them claims that they save money because when they go to the store and they have all the options in front of them, they end up like grabbing more stuff, but when they do it online, they like stick to their list. Which I guess makes sense, but doesn't work for me, I guess. Yeah, I don't DoorDash at all anymore. I went through a phase where I did a little bit of DoorDashing, but it doubles the price of like everything somehow. It's really not worth it. Unless you're really desperate. Again, I know some people that'll DoorDash like all the time, and I don't know. That's a little different, because if you're DoorDashing for your individual like self, you're gonna get what you ordered. When I was getting good pay, I would DoorDash several times a week. I guess it just depends on where you live, if it makes sense or not. Steak would just show up at my front door. Nice. That is the way to live, I guess, if you can do it. For me, I live in like a building, so I don't like, I still have to like go get it anyways, so it's like doesn't come to my front door. So I don't find it worth it. Like if I'm gonna get up and go downstairs and go outside anyways, I might as well just get in the car and go get it myself. Too crazy, you're back. Love to see it. I'm so crazy, just might work. Yes. Glad you remember that. I did Grubhub when I was staying alone in my apartment, I justified to myself that I could use that time studying over going to the store. Yeah, I mean, like, and I think sometimes that does make sense. Like, if you're making money and like you don't have time to stop what you're doing and like go get food, like, yeah, I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I don't think it's bad to be lazy in that way, you know? If you can do it. If you can't afford to do it, then it's different. It was lazy for sure. I don't know, you're still working during that time, so is it lazy? Thanks for following Res1 Coder. Welcome in. I kind of missed apartment living, just moved back in with family. Yeah, it's definitely got its pros and cons. I do not want to live in an apartment much longer if I can avoid it, but I definitely you know, eventually I want a house and like my own property and stuff. Just takes time. Is what it is. But no, there's like a lot of advantages to living in an apartment. Like, I don't like that I've gotten used to having a maintenance team available. Like, I don't do things myself as much anymore because I don't have to, and I don't know. I would rather do the maintenance myself, can't deal with it myself, but it is nice to just be able to like put in a ticket and like and come fix whatever you need fixed. That's definitely a luxury. What is your goal with doing HackTheBox? I want to get to a point where I'm comfortable moving on to something else, like studying for a cert, which I can kind of do in tandem, but I would love for this to turn into a career move. I don't know that it will. It might just be a hobby thing. We'll see how it goes. I would like some career direction out of this, honestly, but we'll see. My background is a mixed bag of things, mostly service industry work, so like nothing relative to cyber. My background has nothing to do with cyber at all. Hi, Samaria. Thanks for letting me know you're here. Welcome back. I've done like sales, I've done service industry. I was disabled like for a period of time. Coming out of that is a pain in the ass. Trying to like be out of the workforce and then get back in. It's very difficult. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just starting to do this because I'm in like a stable place in my life finally, and I'm able to put some time and attention towards it without sacrificing too much on the balance of the rest of my life. So I'm really lucky that I'm finally got to this position, and I would like to take advantage of it. Understood. I think this is a good start. I would recommend try Hack Me if you want something a little more directed. See, I started with Try Hack Me. I did Try Hack Me for like a month, the beginner path, before I did this. Oh man, it's really scanning all the ports. It's taking, let's see. Okay, it's more than halfway done. That's not too bad. What was I saying? Oh yeah, Try Hack Me. I found the beginner stuff, at least. I don't know how it is further on, but the beginner stuff is much more guided. It makes more sense on HackTheBox than it does on Try Hack Me. I got another song that I'm just like not about. I feel like nasally today. I guess I'm just congested. Sorry, I sound weird. THM goated. Yeah, I liked THM. It's definitely different. I'm gonna go back to it. The only reason I switched to HackTheBox in the first place was because I was gifted a VIP for a year from their HackTheBox stream, so I've been going with that because it's free. Honestly, I'm enjoying THM much more than what I was seeing from HackTheBox on your streams. Huh. So you're getting back into TryHackMe, Samaria? Is that the deal? That's interesting. I guess because I'm kind of I'm gonna start running out of content on HackTheBox that I can do, like that's at my level. So I do think I'll pivot back to TryHackMe for maybe a month and try and finish the beginner path. Hi, Betty. Oh, I know, you wanna come up. Okay, hold on one second. Hi, boo-boo. Say hello. You know you have to say hello to the stream. There you go. All right, now you can sit on my lap. But free year, 1 free year is for, yeah, free is free. So we love free 99. See, my experience with both was the opposite. I felt HackTheBox didn't really give enough information. I've been on THM for about 4 years. Interesting. I think that they've changed it. They changed, like, both of them. Sorry, thanks for following Uva13. Welcome in. I think that they changed a lot, and so in like 2021, 2022 is when they both like redid all their like beginner stuff, at least. I don't know if they redid everything, but they both like redid their starting point and then the beginner path for TryHackMe. So it might be different from when you remember it. From what you remember. Sai is willing to play any amount of money just to get something for free. What? Not exactly. I do love a good deal though. I am a sucker when they're like, buy more, save more. I hate those sales because I will buy more. Art of the deal. That's what I'm looking for. That's why I'm looking at starting point again. Yeah. Okay, so this has got to be almost done, right? Oops. Wrong screen. Oh, whoa, it slowed way down. It's only at 59 now? Damn, why did it slow down so much? What the hell? That's annoying. Wait, but it's saying that only 6 seconds passed between these two things? That's not right. What? The time went up too. Oh, I see. Never mind. I was looking at the wrong numbers, but still. Kill it and run it with T4. Okay. Hey, Deefy. You had a similar experience like Stone? Etsy, etc. increasing because it's slowing down, trying to avoid detection. Oh. All right, then let me do it again with this min thing. Oops, I already opened it. Nope. Stop it. I guess we don't need the SV. Min rate Hi, Betty. Yes. Oh, it does have an SV in there. Oh, I already did that, Samaria. That's why the all ports thing is there. Common ports weren't showing all ports she needed. Yeah, exactly. You should start to use VV on Nmap every time, no matter what the write-up tells you, because it doesn't hurt and gives you information without having to wait till the end. That's what you were saying, but when I've used VV before, it didn't work like that, but I will try using it. Oh my god, hi, Horgreen! Welcome back. Thanks for coming back. It is I, the Sly. And Betty. How's my day been? Better than yesterday? Yesterday wasn't so bad. Pretty good. Yeah, I don't know. It's been a good day. How about you? So for the just port count, you need fastest speed and no more additional info then? I forgot to add in the T4 or whatever. What was it, T4? Shit. Should I try it again with T4? Oh my god. Regrets. I was hoping, by the way, that we could have a stream mascot called Steven, because then he'd be Steven Sly. Fun idea I had today at work. Nice. Who is Steven Sly? Is that a person? Is that a character that already exists? Evan. Or do you just like the original, the alliteration? I don't know. It's a dumb pun. Oh, Stephen Fryu? Also don't know who that is. Fry? Oh, I'm not British enough for this. That's why. I don't watch British stuff. Philip J. Sly! I like that one. Intergalactic Courier. Yes. I have a delivery for Icy Wiener. I'll come up with an American mascot that doesn't include a Happy Meal. Okay. Alright, where are we at? 52% done. This is around where it stopped going very quickly last time, so let's see if it slows down. Still going, still going. Oh, we love the long Nmap scans because then we can drink coffee and water and stick around. We can even make it the logo of a new Discord server you're gonna make, right? Yeah. I just don't know when I'm gonna... I have to make time to do it. I haven't I've been working on trying to figure out this stupid chat overlay thing, and I've been putting that ahead of that. I've had to tap in for some help with that too, and it's just, I can't figure it out. It's very difficult. Mimi1BX. Thanks for the follow. I think Betty is our mascot, right? Betty's the stream mascot. Or really, she's just the star of the whole thing. I don't know about mascot. All right, this is going faster, so that's good. All right, we're past 60% mark. So that's good. What is MongoDB? Let's get a refresher. It's a document-oriented NoSQL database. Instead of using tables and rows like in traditional relational databases, MongoDB makes use of collections and documents. Each database contains collections which in turn further contain documents. The collections are like directories. Each document consists of key value pairs. Oh, we were introduced to that yesterday. Which, or refreshed on it. Sorry, Betty hair in my mouth. And they are key value pairs, which are the basic unit of data in a MongoDB database. A single collection can contain multiple documents, and they are schemaless, meaning that the size and content of each document can be different from each other. All right, let's go back here. Woo, almost done. Three-fourths of the way there. MongoDB database which traded reliability for speed to be slower than Postgre. So basically it's a big JSON file. Okay. Reliability for speed. Okay. What was the thing that we did? Oh, it was Redis, I think? The other comparable to MongoDB, right? Redis I did not like. That was an in-memory data structure. That used the RAM, that was the difference. This was supposed to be fast too, right? Yeah. %. Hell yeah. To be fair, I've only ever used Mongo for caching related stuff to be. So. I gotta be fair to the Redis and the Mongos. So close. MongoDB lost most users when they relicensed code in 2018. Interesting. Bad move, I guess, on their part. You mean they made them pay, like people pay again? For shit they already had? My mango is to blow up and then just act like I don't know nobody. Where is that from? Defo a bad move. Yeah, sounds like it. My main goal is to blow up and then just act like I don't know nobody. I have no idea. Oh, done. There we go. Finally got the other one. Okay. That's the one we want. We're not doing SSH, we're doing Mungo. Or maybe we'll use SSH too, I don't know. Probably not. It's tier 0. From open source license to partially closed non-OSI FSF approved. Not really compatible with anything. Yeah, that's crazy. Like, you can't just like... I feel like they should have just done something, like if that's the direction they wanted to go, just like rebrand completely, probably. Sounds like they did like all the wrong things.
My main goal is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody. My main goal is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
Those teeth, man. As a female, that is not the kind of teeth you want your man to have. Shark's teeth, just run. Yeah. That is scary. Like, how do you do anything with that? You take them out to eat? I guess you have to take them out to eat. I don't even know. Like, can you take them out? Who knows? Why does it look like Al? Al? Does it? That's not fair to Al. Okay. Now that the scan's done, I actually have to do stuff now. So, which service is running on port? Okay, that was MongoDB. My mango is to blow up. Act like I don't know nobody. Yeah. I've not seen that before. What type of database is MongoDB? NoSQL. What command is used to launch the interactive? That was Mongosh. We gotta do a Mongosh. Help. Okay. Are we looking for keys like in Reddit? Like in Redis, we were looking for keys. I bet they're not called keys in MongoDB, are they? Something else? Is Arch Linux hard to install? I don't know, Deborah Heaven. I guess you're asking chat, not really me. So, Pork Green's on it. What are you implying? Usually men can get problems with no teethy approaches? I feel like I don't understand your question. Usually men can get problems with with too teethy approaches? Yes. I'm implying that if you have sharp teeth, it's not very inviting. Not that that seems to be his goal, is the ladies. It seems to be to blow up and act like he don't know nobody. So I guess it's irrelevant, but you know. To each their own. When I see that, that's all I can think is like, ah, that looks like it hurts. Too teethy, yeah, I figured. All modern Linux are simple to install on standard hardware. The hard part for me when I was installing my Linux was getting my computer to like completely wipe out Windows and not boot Windows, basically. Or know what to boot. My fear is like mess the partition process. I wanted to try to install my second disk. Okay, I gotta focus. You guys are talking amongst yourselves anyways. I'm like trying to involve myself when I'm not really involved. So I will be good. Go back to what I was doing. I don't know. So this is something we can sign into. There's creds. Okay, so should we try to use like a standard username and password? Is that what we should do? Let's so could we do something like this? Refused, okay. Ooh. Ooh. So, what if we did... What is this foo thing? Server to connect to, so host. So this is under F. How does this work? So I do F and then how does this look? F and then host? Is this completely fucked up? F and then like that? And then I would do the IP, I guess? What did it do? Still doing something? I don't know. I think it's trying. No? Yes, maybe? Server reports maximum wire version in 6, but this version of Node.js. So do we have to update the Node.js driver? Maybe that's not what we do. Okay, I guess I'll just take a peek at the write-up. Do you need to be on a machine to connect to DB as a file? You need to be on a machine to connect to database as a file. What? I have no idea. I don't understand the question, or if it's for me. Do you need to... In order to connect to the remote MongoDB server running on the target box, we will need to install. Okay, we have that. Don't need to do that. Now let's try to connect to the MongoDB server running on the remote host as an anonymous user. Okay, so that's what we do. So let me take some notes before I do it. Yeah, I don't even understand my notes from before. Let me just... Okay, that's not it. Okay, so... Oh gosh. MongoDB. And the port is 27017. Okay. Should I try it without that? That's weird. In here it shows the // but here it doesn't. That's weird. I just assumed you skipped the step and need to get on the server first. Maybe you need to connect remotely after all. I don't know. I'm not sure, but I've also never tried. You have 2 new tools for server version of Mongo. Yeah, okay, so the // was just not necessary. I would think so, but I'm assuming the DB functionality is the same. It's just that the storage is in flat file on the machine. Shit, so this is actually a problem. What do I do? You're saying my tools are too new for the server version of MongoDB. So do I update? Can I update? What is it, like sudo apt update? I forget. I always want to sudo apt update and it's always not the right thing. Update Mongo. Need to downgrade Mongosh to 1x. Okay, so how do I do that? Should I open up? See? I've used the venv. What's a venv? Like this? I mean? Oh, the end. Got it. I didn't have this problem last time. Hi, Cobblemaster. Welcome in. My guess is that you could uninstall and reinstall a package. Okay. Oh, you can see it. Okay. All right. I just gotta move it. Or I guess that's fine. Hacking derailed by ordinary sysadmin stuff. Yup. Just the way it goes, I guess. So I want to downgrade a package in my Parrot Linux terminal. I don't know. What is the most efficient way to do this? The O option, okay. Can you apt-get Mongosh? Well, I can try that. I was, apt-get... What if we just took out it? Oh my god, it thinks forever. Come on, just give me the answer. Oh, apt-get. Okay, apt-get. Oh, I learned a trick and I forgot what it is already. There's a way to like do the last command with sudo. Run the last command with sudo. What is it? Ugh! I wish I remembered. I would look like such a stud. Ooh, that worked. Okay. Unable to locate it. Okay. Well, that's another problem. Oh, it's star. Yeah. Wait, what is it? It's like control star. Wait, I mean. Ah, it is exclamation point, okay. Thank you, Deefy. apt-get is the older version of apt. Thanks, Cobblemaster. Nulla? I don't know about Nulla. 1.6. Okay, let's try that. Nope. I don't know what version we need. 6. Didn't say, did it? Is it not 6? I don't know. Confused. Oh, you're smart, Deefy. My bad. 2.3.2. Come on, something. All right, what if we just did tar? What if we just did this command? All right, I'm just gonna do this, I guess. Because this will overwrite it, I think, right? Now. Oh, Cobble Master. I think that's what we did before. I think that seems right. I think this worked though, so I think this also works. You just finished the whole Mongod machine? Nice. Well, I ran into a little hiccup, psyched. I also had problems with the Mongosh installation, lol. Yeah, let's see if we can speed things up. Okay, so wait, so Mongosh. B. Maybe. Oh, I still have my thing going. give it a sec. Seriously? Ah! I couldn't be asked to look for it, so I asked AI, not gonna lie. Works like a charm. Oh! Hell yeah! Alright, we're in. We got the shell, right? Yeah. Thanks, Deefy. Okay, so... I need to take a note real quick. The one that... Do you understand why it does work with the dot slash but not without? Because you're specifying the path? Kind of? I would say kind of, but not totally. I don't know if I can explain it correctly. I like the song though. Let's save this one. It's fun. Wake up. Track does not exist. What the hell? Weird. Alright, I'm not gonna worry about it. Any number was the answer. I feel like you're dissing me, Samaria. Right in front of my face. Because it's not within path, so // needs to be called since inside the current working directory. Otherwise, it would be without when added to your own machine's path. Okay. So it wasn't in the path. Got it. All right. The rows up to your level. What are you saying, Cyborg? Okay. It means that he feels extra pretty when he says that. Haha. Oh! I read that completely wrong then. Okay. Now this is what I wrote in my notes. Tar. Yeah, what the hell is tar? Show DBS. Alright, well I did something right. Oh, that's literally in the write-up right there. Ew. Alright. Then it says us. I don't know if I trust my notes. Yeah, what the hell is us? I don't think that's what that says. I think I just don't know how to read my notes. Wait. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. DB name of collection find. Okay. Oh, I see what you're saying, Deefy. I hate the song. I hate the song. Stop it. Stop it right now. Not into it. Turn you off. Immediately. Okay. The CD to users? What? Alright, fine, I'll look at the write-up. Wait, oh, I didn't even see the sensitive information, lol. Me secret formula. Hi, Betty. Your presence has been requested. Can you come here, please? Sir Salas. Hello. Hack into the Pentagon. I need KFC secret recipe. Okay. Hello, bubbles. Okay, fine. BRB. Let's get you some snacks. Come here, Bubble. Betty. Oh, that one dropped. I didn't get it. Gotta get it with my toe. Now you have toe snacks. Okay, gotta go wash my hands now. Toe snacks, typical only feet, yeah. Okay, oh, I get a snack. Because I like it. I don't know. How did you choose InfoSec? Sorry, no, somebody already asked that today, so I'm just being sassy, but Yeah, because I want to be a hacker woman, dang. It's accessible, it's interesting, and it's got a good community around it. Pretty much it. Ooh, they're breaking out the saxophone. You know that means I gotta save this song. Anything with a saxophone. Elite Haxer stream. Yeah. Wait, why do you want to ping? Ping what? Don't do that. Alright. When saw swordfish once. Oh yeah. She saw swordfish once. I did see swordfish once. I barely paid attention to it though. Does she want to be a hacker? Okay. Yeah, that's why my stream title is Absolute Noob. It's psyched. Okay. Back to it. Use sensitive information. Okay. Show sensitive. What is it? Oh, because I need the semicolon? Is that it? No? Wait. Show collection. Show. What? How do we know to show collection? How do we know that collections exist? Okay, then we do DB. This is easy, but also not like intuitive, so. We dump the contents of the document present in fly collection by I don't know, something like that. Oh, DB. No, DB flag. Okay, this is boring. Find. Okay, that's how we got it. I don't like this. Databases are not supposed to be intuitive. Okay, never mind. You like building SQL databases? Okay. Each of their own. Okay, that was boring. I didn't like that one either. Alright, time to do synced. Why do I have tar and US? UJ, U something. I got 3 daughters and 2 sisters. No, I'm not. What? Are you okay? I have not done Over the Wire Bandit yet. Because I haven't made a VM to do that yet. But I can. That's the goal, is to be able to do stuff outside of HackTheBox. I just haven't yet, because I've been utilizing as much as I can out of HackTheBox as I possibly can before I move on, pretty much. It's kind of where I'm at. But that is on the list of things to do. You need relational database to figure out this relations. What? No. Funny. Why haven't you gotten your own VM yet? What do you mean it isn't free? I don't know. I just haven't. Let me write that down. Let me write get Kali VM. Get Kali VM. When I'm gonna make a Discord color green, I don't know, because I have to still finish the chat overlay. I have to get the Kali VM. And a bunch of other stuff. I have to do streamer bot. I have to do all this stuff for the stream, and I don't know. I don't know what order to do it in. I always have to look up commands for specific databases. I guess it's pretty normal that you don't know all the commands of the databases. Just remember when there is some kind of database, there's probably useful data to extract from. Okay. Ew. Is there anything I can do to help? No. I mean, I'm not actually complaining. I'm really not. It's fun doing all of this, and it's fun learning how to do all of this. Frustrating, time consuming, but it's all good. WSL2. Okay, I'm gonna get right on that. Write that down too. WSL2. Okay, let's move on for now. It's going a little slower today, so... Oh, I have to cancel the other one. No, that's not what I wanted. Alright, now we're doing rsync. What the hell is rsync? This is rsync. All it says, really. Anonymous guest access. Please don't take a long time. Ah, I forgot the BB. Well, too late now. It already did it. Thanks for following Jared Dev 05. Okay, so what am I doing? Rsync is on 873. It's the only thing open from top ports, at least. How many TCP ports are open on the remote host? Just one. Perfect. What protocol version used? Whatever. 31. It's got a nice long help page. Okay. What does it mean by source? So rsync. Do you have a schedule? Just curious when next stream will be. I have not posted a schedule just because I'm scared I won't adhere to it well enough to the satisfaction of the people. But my goal is to do 4 days a week, Monday through Tuesday, and then Thursdays. I mean, Sunday through Tuesday, and then Thursday. Did I say that right? It's not that I don't want to commit. I just don't want people being like, where the frick were you? If I don't make it. And I do want to do some earlier streams, I just haven't been able to do that yet. Sorry, Horkreen, I know you want earlier streams. Isn't much of a Get user, yeah. No commits, no commits. Okay, so rsync. I honestly don't even feel like doing this. What if I just stopped and started doing Scrimba instead? What if we did this? What if I learned Python? Thought about it. Learn the snack? Alright, let's just take a little break and do this for just like a minute, okay? Let's just try it. I don't know much about it. I guess I should the music while
like a smartphone where you can act excited to get to guide you through the basics of the Python language here on Scrimba.
Okay.
Now, not only will you be learning the most popular, but also likely the most versatile programming language right now, Python, but you will be learning on the Scrimba platform, which will take the tutorial experience to a whole new level. I love it, and I'm hoping that you will too. So why should you learn Python? Well, Python is a really versatile and really easy to learn language. Part of the versatility comes from it being a bit like a smartphone where you can access and use any of the 150,000 or so apps in the App Store. And those modules will help you fix more or less anything you need solved without much effort on your part at all. Python is also very easy to write and forgiving as programming languages go. And to be frank, it's probably the easiest language to get started with, as it's even more like regular English than most other programming languages. If you want to create a script to back up files or check something on a web page every 10 minutes or create a face recognition implementation using machine learning or land your first job in development, then Python is for you. Easy access to data on the web. Sometimes people refer to Python as being made for the web. And this mostly means there are
equals
lots of tools that you can use to get data
Python
from the web
equals
and
smartphone,
websites or
noted.
interact with other applications on the web, again, with very little coding effort on your part. Python is very often used as the programming language when working with AI and machine learning by data scientists and researchers, and there are many reasons for this. But on one level, you need to remember that if you want to work within this area, Python is almost a requirement. And if you ask me, it's probably the easiest language to get started with. So in this course, we're going to work together to take you from a beginner to
Hey,
an
I'm already
intermediate Python developer.
convinced.
So you can start experimenting and using all the available tools, or maybe to prepare you for a more comprehensive programming bootcamp or a course that you want to take. We're going to take you from 0 to good, and if you want to get to great, you just need to practice more. The course consists of interactive tutorials where I walk you through various concepts and then exercises where you can practice these concepts. But don't for a second think practice is only in the exercises. You can and should practice and play around with the code as much as possible. Learning is supposed to be fun, so just have fun with it.
It's barely
And that is one of the
saying
really great things
anything,
about Scrimba.
Samaria.
You can pause any
It's
tutorial
just
whenever you
saying-
want and start playing with the code. You can add, remove, run, or fork the code.
It's just saying why to do Python and how to use Scrimba. Yeah, let's just get through this real
Anything you
quick.
see on screen,
Hold
you can
on.
modify. And all this experimenting is what's going to make your Python programming muscle strong and really cement
Only a
the knowledge that you
couple
get.
minutes.
So be curious and interrupt me as much as you want. I won't mind at all. As long as you're learning, I'm happy. In the end, how much you learn is really going to be up to you. And you'll get out of this course what you put into it. If you just watch the tutorials without doing any of the coding
This is
exercises,
what my head
or trying out
sounds
code
like
you
on
see,
a
you're not
daily
gonna get anywhere near
basis.
the full learning experience that I think you expect. So commit to your own learning and work through all the exercises and play around with the code in every tutorial. That is going to make you a great programmer. So as a bonus to this course, we've created a Facebook group for you. It's called Python 101, and you see the link right here that you can click on. Otherwise, search for Python 101 and you'll find the course on Facebook. It's a social learning group where you can learn with others who are doing the course just like you, and you can do more exercises and learn even more. I'm hoping to see you there and interact with you directly. So what are we going to learn in this course? We're going to learn basic
You will
syntax
not
and
see
outputting
me
data
there.
in program flow. We're going to work with text using strings and store data in variables. We're going to learn how to do math in Python with arithmetic operations. Then we'll look at lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries for storing different types of data. We'll learn how to control how your code runs with conditionals and if and elif statements. We'll teach you how to use loops, both while and for loops. You'll learn how and why to use functions, return statements, why and how to comment your code, and what to do when you encounter errors. You'll learn about objects and classes and even about inheritance. And you'll even learn about
I
lists and
do have
dictionary
the
comprehensions and lambda
ADHDs.
functions, sometimes called anonymous functions. Ooh. To prepare for your next step and open up the Python world of opportunities, you're going to learn about modules and how to use them in your code. You will also get plenty of exercises and some projects and other bits and pieces. So it's time to meet your instructor. That's me. My name's Olaf Paulsen. I'm Swedish and I have a passion for education. When I'm not doing this, I'm the advocate for Khan Academy in Swedish.
Olaf,
That means I
like
do as much as
the
I can to make sure that we have a Khan Academy in
little
Swedish. That's a not-for-profit
snowman?
project I've been working on for a long time, and I will probably continue quite a while longer.
That's amazing. Okay, I don't even think I need to really watch this video. Sorry for putting you all through that. Okay. Print.
All right, so I'll welcome you to the Python 101
Whoa.
course once more. And I thought I'd tell you how we get a backend language like Python to run on a front-end platform like Scrimba. And as usual, it's an add-in or a module that comes to save us. And in this case, we'll find it in the index.html file. So here in the HTML file, we have the Brython plugin. Now, normally we run this Brython minimum JS. And what it allows us to do is to write Python code that
Samaria,
then gets
soon.
recompiled into JavaScript and can then
Soon.
run on the Scrimba
I think, like,
platform.
everybody
Or,
here
I guess
has-
many other platforms.
I feel
And
like I
this is the
attract
one we
the
normally use. When we
ADHDers.
want to do more advanced stuff, or if you want to experiment on your own, edit out and enable this script, the one that has the Brython standard lib. That has more functionality and is something we're going to use when we import modules, for instance. And if you take a look at the versions, of course, by the time you're looking at this course, there might be newer versions. And with really bad luck, maybe some of the code we write isn't going to work on later versions. But anyway, you can do this. You don't have to, but you can. There are also a few oddities that I thought I'd go through that you're going to encounter through the course. And they are not many, but there are at least two. So the first one is the input box that we're going to use when we get user input is, in this case, really the JavaScript prompt. And for some reason, the screen capture doesn't capture that. So you can't see it. If you run your own code, you can see it. And what it looks like for me when I talk about it and I say, hey, I'm getting an input box and you can't see it, is this. And you'll see it as well when you run the code locally, but you just won't see it when I'm running through the code in the tutorial. So bear that in mind. Another thing is that the Scrimba mini browser sometimes hovers in the corner in some tutorials. You don't have to worry about it. I'll show you what I mean. We're talking about this little browser, this guy right here. So he's going to be hanging out down here in the corner just to be out of the way. And in some tutorials, you won't even see it. But again, don't worry about it. So that's how we get Python to run in JavaScript and in Scrimba, and are able to do this awesome course for you. So with that, let's get cracking with the first tutorial.
But it's a video that I can interact with. What is happening? That was crazy. I could like interact with the video.
Okay, welcome. It's time to get started. I hope you're as excited as I am. So let's start talking about
freaky.
programming languages very briefly. So when we program, we're giving the computer a bunch of
getting
instructions.
compiled
And the
in
programming language we're
JavaScript,
using
right?
has different special words that
What?
mean different things. Luckily,
Hi,
most languages have
Goldilocks.
somewhat similar words and ways of writing. So they're often more like dialects than totally different languages, which is good if you want to learn multiple languages. So in Python is one of the more simple languages to learn. So that's great, right? So let's get started. So when we write our Python code, we will often want to see if it's working, if we're getting the numbers that we're expecting, and so on. And the way we often do that is to output data down into the console down here. Now, there isn't any data down in there right now, but there will be soon. And to do that, we use the print command, which looks like this. And then inside the print command, we put some quotation marks, either single or double, and then we type whatever string we want to output. So in this case, we'll say, welcome to Python 101. That means you. Okay, now if we run this, we'll see that it outputs the text without the quotation marks and without the print around it. So the print statement is a way to tell the computer, please print the stuff that I put inside the quotation marks. Okay, and when Python reads our code, let's copy this.
This is like the hello world.
It does it
of
in the same way
coding.
that you read,
Is
at least
this-
if you read Western languages. So it reads top to bottom and left to right. So if we add a 2 here and run it, you'll see that we have 2 rows. We have welcome to Python 101, and then the second row is the second row that I typed. Now, if I move these so that I put this row above the first one, you'll see that it turns around. And that's important to remember, because when you're writing code, you want to make sure that you're writing in the same direction that you're reading, and also that the computer is reading, because otherwise you might be trying to use something that doesn't exist yet. So for instance, if we create a hammer,
The
create
wrong
hammer,
string to learn a new
copy it,
language.
and then afterwards we use the hammer. That will look quite good. So first we create the hammer and then we use the hammer. Now it would get really weird if we tried to do this. First we use the hammer and then we create the hammer. Use hammer, create hammer. That's kind of impossible, right? Because you can't use the hammer until you...
Oh, so if I do anything, it pauses it. That's cool. I like this. I don't know if it's good for streaming, but it's good for learning, I guess. I don't know, guys. I'm nervous to do this. Okay. We got this. It's all fine. Oh yeah, I already lost viewers. Okay. How do I play? Now what? Huh? Oh my god, I don't know.
created it. So let's get rid of that.
There we go.
And then when you're executing, you can either press this green...
I use it myself for TypeScript and it only makes me kind of hate it as opposed to really hate it. Oh. It's like watching two streams at the same time. Borked. Okay. Yeah, this is probably not the best. I should probably just do this on my own. JavaScript will F it up. I don't know what you're talking about.
button over here to run your code.
I
Or
don't know.
you can use the Control S shortcut, or on a Mac, the Command S shortcut. Now, as your very first assignment, I want you to write a print statement that creates some nails in the right place and then modify the use statement that we have here so that we also use the nails with the hammer. So give that a shot and I'll be back with the solution shortly.
I did not hear what he said. What did he say?
Great, so did you try that? I hope you did, and that goes
No,
for
I
all of the
didn't.
exercises
I
in this
don't know.
course. When there's an exercise,
Wait.
try to do the exercise. Don't just wait for me to come up with the solution because you're going to learn so much more and it's going to stick for so much longer and it'll be so much more fun.
How
so
do I
here's a way to
navigate
do this.
this?
So
Oh
let's
my
copy this.
god.
And always in programming, there are, and then afterwards we use the hammer, a hammer that the computer is reading, because otherwise you might be trying to use something that doesn't exist yet. So for instance, if we create a hammer, create hammer, copy it, and then afterwards we use the hammer.
Good night,
That will
Lord
look quite
Green.
good. So
Thanks
first
for
we create
hanging
the hammer
out.
and then we use the hammer. Now it would get really
Appreciate
weird if
you.
we tried to do this. First we use the hammer and then we create the hammer.
What is it, like 5
Use
a.m.
hammer,
for
create
you?
hammer. That's kind of impossible, right? Because you can't use the hammer until you've created it. So let's get rid of that. And then when you're executing, you can either press this green button over here to run your code,
You could
or
just say
you
create
can use the Control
hammer.
S shortcut, or on a Mac, the Command S shortcut. Now, as your very first assignment, I want you to write a print statement that creates some nails in the right place and then modify the use statement that we have here so that we also use the nails with the hammer.
Okay. So, print, create nails. Does it have to be capital? Does capitalize matter? Nails. Did he explain the double quote versus single quote thing? Because I missed that. If he... Use hammer with nails. Oh, I'm a genius. Pretty sure that I did it. All right, let's go.
So give that a shot and I'll be back with the solution shortly.
Create sickle step 3 profit? What? Half the time I have no idea what Smary is saying. You have to explain like all of your jokes to me. It's sad. Deleted it? Oh. Why did you delete it? No, I don't want to skip this exercise. I want to play. Oh, I was supposed to submit the solution. Yeah, okay, all right. I'm learning how to even use this. I probably should have done this before. You know what? You know what? I'm gonna go back to hacking, because, yeah, this is something I need to do on my own time, I think. I'm having regrets. Let's go back to hacking. Screw it. Jokes is super high quality if I need to explain them surely. Coding, yeah, maybe not. Maybe not. Cause I don't know. I thought about it for a second and then we started doing it. And this platform I just don't understand yet, so I should probably get to know it first before I like embarrass the crap out of myself. I mean, I'm doing that regardless, but still. I'm like all over the place today. Sorry, guys. But back to rsync. So, sorry, coding. I don't know if you were looking forward to that. It's your coding, but programming is hard at first. Just take it easy. Don't have to be a pro from the get-go. Take time. Yeah, that's like hacking, I guess. It's not the... It's this weird format, like this weird platform that I'm nervous about a little bit. Oh my god, Samaria. Not about the programming, though. Alright, how do we use rsync? So... Protocol version used... Where was the third? Protocol version 31, okay. What credentials do you have to pass to rsync in order to use anonymous authentication? None? Gave it away. I hate it when it does that, when it gives you like options and then also gives you like the number of characters and like the last character. Dude, make it a little less easy, like. I like totally lost interest in like doing this about 5 minutes ago. The coding thing like totally killed me. All right, I could do this. I got this. What is the format? Like rsync option source destination. Okay. What are my options? I want to. Do I want to do any of this? Did I try and do it without the write-up? I don't know. I want to log in. List only. List the files instead of copying. It copies them by default? Okay, so rsync. Just, oh my god, can I please type? Jesus. Of course we ran into a problem. No such file or directory. Do we need to add... No, that didn't work. Because that's redundant. Okay. Right, normally it's good to run the command first without any parameters. Yeah, it expects a file and I need hosts. You're right. So why is that? Oh, this is saying to put 2 colons at the end. Wonder if that'll fix it. Oh, that might fix it. I guess that... Why would that... That's so weird. I don't know, man. Okay, rsync. Rsync. Port what? We're on port 873. Okay, that note needs to go. Just add public at the end. Yeah, but that's once we've listed it. Now we do public. Rsync. What was it? Frick. 873. Are these directories? What do we call these? Shares. Oh, share. Oh no, it is a directory. That's just a directory called shares. Damn it. God damn it, I'm messing up my notes. I'm getting hungry. Again? Oh, you weren't here for Betty Snacks. Thanks for distracting me. I am like being super unproductive today. Usually chat keeps me like focused. Now I feel like today I've just been letting chat take me off the rails. All right, one more Betty snack. Then I gotta do some work. Oh my god, my bangs. Take it. Ah! Ah, why? Don't cut bangs. Just don't ever do it, guys. Don't cut bangs. Everything is chat's fault. Yeah. Didn't you know? Okay, let's get back to it. Can I focus today? I don't know. I don't know if I can focus today. Today's fucked. Betty is getting all the snacks tonight. I have snacks. I'm eating them slowly. Yeah, Samaria. You know how it goes. I can do it! I believe in myself. Maybe. I don't know. Okay. Believe in you that believes in me. Yeah, okay, I will. Parsing source target. You want the flag. Okay. So let me try to think about this without doing this. So would I just do... How would I... I have the flag.txt. Oh my god, I'm just gonna look at it because it's just /flag.txt. Why isn't it doing it? I wish it was harder to open the write-up. It was under like a lock and key or something. That did not cat it, so... I don't know! It's weird syntax they use at HackTheBox, never seen that. Oh, weird. I use it like this, rsync list only rsync. The only difference I see is that you put rsync twice. You put rsync at the beginning of the argument. Oh, you're right. Problem master. That's definitely it. What would make it slow? I thought for sure that was it, but maybe not. Let me see if I can figure it out without looking at the write-up, but I doubt it. Hour sync, like that sync in. What? Yeah, and then I can slash to split the directories and files. Oh, is that it? Oh, that is it. All right. So we did public. Slash doc. And doc. Okay. That was... my notes are shit for that, but at least I got them. Better than nothing, I guess. So you basically did remote ls and then remote CP with rsync. Should be easy. Yeah. It's just weird because everything has its own syntax and flags and crap. Okay, I didn't like that one very much either. Excuse me. Appointment. Yeah, the hardest part about that one was just the... Oh wait, that was the previous one. Oh, I didn't stop the machine. I gotta go back. Alright, I did tier 0 in 2 days. That was pretty good. Me, at least. All right, now we're using MariaDB. Oh my god, so many databases. Query language something. Something query language. Right? That's why you'll look it up anyways. Most of the time when you come across a service you don't interact with very often, but it's very good to know that the service exists and maybe you remember what you can do with it later. Yeah. I'm getting, it's nice going back because that's like the kind of stuff that I'm getting is like, now I get what's important and what's not a lot better. Gaming autism, hacking autism equals hacking speedruns. What? Yeah, exactly. Sure. Structured query language. Okay, so I got most of it, but structured query language. What is the most common type of SQL vulnerability? I don't know. Isn't that an attack, not a vulnerability? I don't like that I feel like that's a trick question. Syntax isn't that important as long as you know where to look when you need it. Yeah, that's the hard part though. Hi, Laughing Sec. Quiz? I'm trying to quiz myself. Is that what you're asking? I'm trying to like remember. But my brain doesn't want to. What is the 2021 OS Top 10? I remember doing this. All right, let me go ahead and do my Nmap. I forgot. Nmap. This time I'm gonna do VB. I remembered something. Oh, okay, cool. Now I get it. I must have been getting VB confused with something else. It's not hard. Try look it up on Google instead of reading the write-ups. They give you the question. Try to find how to do it yourself, not only using the help, but also using Google or AI or whatever you have. Okay, all right, fine. I'll stop. This one, I'm not gonna use the write-up. No promises. I could do it, I think. I don't know. Let's see. Because I just moved on to tier 1, so that's probably gonna be, it's gonna be harder. I don't know. This one's probably not a good one for me to say that I would have to do the write-up. I don't know. As I see the questions? Okay. Let's hope so. 60% done. Okay. So... that was weird. Oh, it slowed down. Okay. It'll be a minute, I guess. What does Nmap report as the service and version that are running on port 80 of the... Well, we'll figure that out when with Nmap scans. This is 443, I know that. Boom! I remembered something. What folder called in web application terminology? What is a folder called? A directory, right? Yes. .404? Yeah. GoBuster is one tool used to brute force directories on a web server. What switch do we use with GoBuster? Specify we're looking to discover directories and not subdomain. Let's find out in a minute. I have to look at the help page. 3 in a row, easy. Yeah. Yeah. I'm a pro. I say. $72. What flag to specify we're looking for directories and not subdomain? I feel like I should know that. I should remember that because we did this the other day. Maybe I have it in my notes. I doubt it. I don't have very many GoBusters. Nope, not there. What would I use for its shortened from directory? Okay. Dir? Oh, dir! It's literally dir. I don't know about, yeah, right? Yeah. I was thinking it would be like minus or dash something, 2 letters. You're right. Yeah. I knew that. I totally knew that. I don't know about subdomains. I don't know that I've done that one. Is it sub for subdomain? It would be... I don't know, because under my subdomain enumeration notes for GoBuster, vhost? What is vhost for? Virtual host, I guess? Is it nothing for subdomains? I think it's nothing for subdomains, right? vhost is one of them? One of what? Speaking of subdomains, sub or dom, Sly? Both. I don't know. Depends. What do you take me as? Everybody says that, like, people have told me that I come across as like a total, what do you call them? What's the word? Give me a second. Dominatrix. I don't understand that at all because I feel like I'm such a dork. You can enumerate subdomains in various ways, but yeah, you'll probably most often use vhost for that. Okay, alright, so it is vhost. At least in CTFs. Got it. That's what I call flexibility. I just think it's funny that people get like such dom energy from me when I'm like... So close! We're so close, guys. I feel like this is the... Forgot what I was gonna say. I feel like the dom energy just comes from my spazziness. I don't know. I really don't. I am assertive at times, I suppose. I don't know. Come on! So I can stop talking about sub versus dom. 0 time remaining. Yeah, right. Rupert's back! What up, Rupert? Waiting on this end map to finish up that should have finished 2 minutes ago. Come on. Got this. Today is not going as smoothly as it did yesterday. It's a little rougher. Oh, Nmap using Microsoft Windows estimated time. Algo. Okay, got it. Oh, that's a joke. Never mind. Or maybe it's not? I don't know. I can't tell. Jokes, okay. Hello, Mr. Tester Chuck. Welcome in. How are you doing? And this freaking hurry up. Is it stuck or something? One is undergoing Sin stealth scan. Oh my god, I'm so uncomfy. I just like want to go run around or something. Don't give Betty snacks, because Betty's already had like 10 snacks today. But Betty is doing just fine. Where is she? Sitting by her food station, waiting for it to drop. Can you see her? Right there. I don't know if you can. Yeah, you can see her little head. That's her cute little head right there. It's time release. Otherwise, with my ADHD-ness, she would get dinner at like all varying hours of the day, so yeah. And it makes it so that I can spread, because like if I feed her all at once, like I have 2 dinners for her because she eats so fast. So this way she gets 3 meals a day instead of, or 4 meals a day instead of just 2. So it spreads it out so she's not just gobbling it up. It's the best. I have a water fountain for her too. So like she's like queen of catness. Water fountain's pretty nice but it's also a pain in the ass to clean. Was it the Big D who posted? No, that was Cypher. I'm so bad at estimating how long projects will take. Don't panic, there's a simple trick for that. Take your most realistic estimate, then double it. Okay, but now double it again at 5 minutes. Double it a 3rd time. Okay. 30 seconds have gone by and you've done nothing but double imaginary numbers. You're making no progress and will never finish. Ah! Panic. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty accurate. Oh, okay. Alright, it's done. Woo! Pose, dimension, login. Yeah, keep Betty on her toes. Her little paws. Oh my god, she has little mittens. They're so cute. She has little beans. Little beans for toes. Yes, paws. Little paws. Little beans. They're little beans. You look at them, they look like little perfect beans. Okay. Now, that took so long, I forgot what I was gonna do next. Okay, so it's just 80. It's literally just that it took all that time and it's just 80? Why? Oops, what happened? Reason is Synac. What? I can't believe it took that long and there's only 80 open. That's stupid. Why didn't it just tell me that 80 was open if we had BB on there? Beans with danger nails, yeah. Okay, so now we use Go Buster, right? Or do we try to go to it? We try to go to it. 80. Maybe we'd use Etsy House? Hmm? Maybe. Yeah, I vaguely remember this. It's a login page. Can we navigate anywhere else? I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do. What the hell? That's it? There's no HTML? Eh. Alright, I'm gonna not mess with that because I don't know what I'm doing there. So... GoBuster is one tool used to group. Oh, I have to decide which. Oh no. Okay, so CD to wordless. Where am I? Where am I? Oh, I'm in home. So, where are the word lists? I know this. I have this in my notes. Thanks for following, Tay-Bag. Ooh, wait, what? Oh, Tay-Bag, you got me to my follower goal. Thank you. Sweet. Wait, I already got 5 for today? Sweet. Y'all are the best. Don't look at my bangs. Okay. Pretend I don't even have them. No hack planet scream. Hack the planet! User share wordless. Okay, well, you didn't have to tell me that because I knew it. User share Durbuster wordless. That's where it is, actually. So, CD to user. Let's see if that'll get us there. Oh, it did get us there. Okay, so LS. What do we use? Seckless? No. We want Durbuster? I don't know where to go. CD to... Durbuster, right? Okay, so I want to do GoBuster, dir, u, Paste. Word list is this music sucks. Oh my god, it's gonna take forever again. No way. Alright, Control C. Let's try this again. Let's not do that one. Let's do the small one. Small.txt. Looking lower than the bangs. Okay. Be able to answer the first question before it gets up too far. Admin is the creds. The first question? What first question? Which task are you talking about? I don't know what you mean. Small list, still long. Thanks for following Noah's Raptor. Thanks, Samaria. Your pretty face. Task 1. Is structured query language. I already went over that one. I already did all these. See how I already... I don't know what you're talking about. I did all these. Pets for Betty. Okay, again. Hetty is like freaking getting so much treatment today. I mean, attention. This is Betty. Now you've met Betty, Noah Raptor. Isn't she beautiful? She's like, leave me alone. I'm waiting for my food to drop. Mom. Over it. She's such a cutie. Yeesh. She's a very good kitty. Jealous much? Yeesh. About the service running on port 80, maybe you have it already. This one? This is the only one I think I didn't answer. But I already, yeah, HTTP is on port 80. I know that. 80 and 443 are like the only ones I know. Hey, J Rizzo into hell. Sly doing a barrel roll while calling your name. What? What's the roll call? Team 2? It's just to like let me know that you're in chat. It's kind of like a lurk. No, but it's just like, hey, hi, I'm here. And if you don't feel like actually saying anything. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever. I just want to run through it. Speed run disabled. Better than a small round leavened loaf given a name. Huh? Cypher! What up, Enigma? Oh, bread roll. Oh! Yeah, sly roll. I should make bread. I made bread like once. It was really good. It was really easy. I want to do it again. Cooking stream. Oh my god, I do not have the patience for this today. Oh my god, it just wants me to sit in this chair and like wait. Insane. Ah, okay, so how do we know to use SQL injection? Because there's a login page and that's all we have to work with? Is that why? Like, what's telling us SQL injection? Oh, wait, no. What's telling us SQL injection is the... Is it... Hold on. Look at that. Thanks, Rupert. Is it something about the reason or the version that tells us about SQL injection? Or we just, like, nothing tells you have to test it. There's an input field, so there could be a SQL. Okay. Fully. Okay, that's what I thought. Cool. Input field, SQL injection. Got it. Maybe. Could be an LFI, right? But it depends on what kind of input field it is, I guess. Like, if you can upload files, then it's an LFI thing? I don't know. Or an RFI. I'm trying to get it all straight. Just put everywhere Pentest 101. Just put quote, single quote everywhere. Okay. Deal. You can do that. What looks cool? Oh, HackTheBox? You can't see it. This is HackTheBox. I guess you can see this. Search HackTheBox. Oh wait, no, I'm down here. You can see it. HackTheBox. Are you not a hacker, Noah's Raptor? Excuse me. Choking on the water. SQLi can appear everywhere. Oh, SQL injection can appear everywhere where user input is sent to the server and processed by SQL database. Ah, I probably should have. I know that's only logical, but I really did not even put. I didn't think that through. So that's helpful. Thank you, GV. Anywhere user input is sent to the server and processed by SQL. But we don't know what database they're using, so how do we... So we're just guessing, I guess. I used to do renderers in C++. I only hacked 2 computers my whole life, and I'm 40. Well, I've hacked only theoretical computers. I've never hacked a real computer? So, you're ahead of me. I did do cybersecurity course through a bunch of humble bundle books. Yeah, so I'm a noob. I have a bunch of non-noobs in my chat. There's people of all varying backgrounds, I guess, but basically I'm trying to learn from scratch how to do this stuff with like no coding or cyber tech background. So it's been a struggle, but it's fun. For logins, it's most likely SQL. Could be MySQL, Postgres, SQLite, or something SQL, but probably SQL. Okay, gotcha. GS Vault chat. Start building a hackable computer for Sly to hack into. That'll be great stream to watch. DTF style. Isn't every computer hackable? Is that the joke? I don't know. Double's voice was working on some puzzles. I think they got distracted with other life stuff, so the puzzles are not finished yet, but those will be fun once they're done. Well, if chat built it, it'll have doors inside of windows. Doors instead of windows, yeah. Ooh! Hell yeah, Rupert! Thanks, Rupert. You're a real homie for that. Another Prime subby. Boom, boom. I have another subscription. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hack the planet! Something like that, right? I'm out of water. I drank all my water. I guess I might as well go get some because this is taking forever. I am so antsy. Ah. Some amaranth snacks. Well, yeah. I have them right here. I left them here from yesterday, so I've just been snacking on them slowly during stream. Oh, dressed chips? What are dressed? Oh, you mean like flavored chips, yeah. Stale snacks are still snacks. They're not even stale. They're just... They're fine. Yeah, pen testing, basically. Yeah. You know. So you're not a total... normie, I guess. I don't know what the word is, but... You know what we're doing here. Betty lick them? No, but they're spicy, so she doesn't really jump up on anything anymore. She'll jump up on like a coffee table or like something low, like the couch, but she doesn't like to jump up on high stuff anymore. I think because she's fat. I'm gonna go crazy waiting for this. Watch it come back with nothing because I used a small list. That would suck. Oh, I have to take my trash out. Sorry. BRB again. In before 69% progress. Nice. Does she get jealous? Oh my god, Betty is so jealous of all of my snacks, yes. Paradox Buster. Oh, you're getting prepped. You're getting ready for the next step. You want me to use Ferox Buster instead of Go Buster. Hi, Betty! When I get my previous message checked in terms of joke quality, I could explain it also like all others. Okay, wait, Samaria, where's your last joke? Shit. When is how I feel hacking with Sly? I didn't see it. Hold on one second. I'm gonna go back. I don't get it. Oh, because you're there next to me? Double penetration. Yeah. We're double penetrating the stuff. Okay, I get it. Yikes. Double penetration. Alright, fine. I mean, this is a full stream, fun stream. Yeah. We like to have fun and not be boring. I don't know. Test the site manually while waiting for GoBuster. You can try default creds, you can try SQL, you can try robots.txt. Psyched. Blame Samaria, not me. Okay. Sorry, where's this site? That's cruising now. Oh wait, no, it's not. Admin. Yeah, watch this, like... Watch this get me in. So, guest. Password. 1, 2, 3. Anonymous. Forgot password just brings you right back to this page. Okay. We get a little hash. Bye. Psyched, you came back to some debauchery. That's what you came back to. Do you like it? Do you like the debauch? I need to go like run a mile or something. I don't even know. Why do I have so much energy? Sly, are you going to develop hacking material in the future as well? We're just learning for fun and profit. Develop hacking material. I was trying to think of a joke for that, but I don't have any. I didn't drink any caffeine today. Oh, I had one Diet Pepsi. That's it. I think it's just because I've been cooped up for like a week. I haven't really left the house very much. I think that's why. I'm starting to get like antsy because I like need to go on a walk or something. I haven't been exercising enough. Hacking educational material. You have to do a word band for me to do push-ups. No, I want to do something with this GSFold. I don't know what I want to do exactly yet, but I'm learning for not just fun, but hopefully it'll turn into something. Oh, it's 91% done. We're almost there, guys. Okay, there we go. If user input is not handled carefully, it can be interrupted as interpreted as a comment. Use a comment to log in as admin without knowing the password. What is the first word on the web page? So, admin, and then... Huh? Isn't a comment just like a double hash? Thanks for following Dave O'Hara. Bypass logins using SQL. There's a very specific combination you can use very often to test this. Yeah, I'm trying to remember what it is, and I'm not remembering, so I will look it up. Okay, so, how to bypass login using... Oh my god. Why'd I try to do it there? How to bypass... Oh, it's single quotes, not hashes. Somebody said that earlier. I don't remember who. What is it? Okay, I'm trying to do it without reading. Let me... Foo. Password is foo? Foo. Let's try foo. Nope, that's not it. Task 10 wants you to use the login credentials at. Oh. How do I do the password? Oh, it's just one quote? I don't get it. I don't understand this. What's the lab? Watch the screenshots? I did, but probably done now. There it is. Okay. Did it find anything? Oh my god. Alright, so are any of these what we want? I don't know. I don't think they are. Let's switch. This is the single quotes, or no, that's the hash. Wait, you guys are saying. Hold on. I'm gonna look at it. I'm sorry. I'm bad. Admin single quote hash. I am typing something for the password. I don't think it matters what I put in for the password. Where am I going? Okay, there's the flag. Okay, so it was something really specific. Wanted to use a single quote and a hash. That's weird. Right? Is that not weird? Because I think I just have to put something in there, Rupert? Or can I do it without it? Yeah, I have to put something. It could be anything though. I'm annoyed that I can't find this on Google. They used admin single quote dash dash. Okay, well this is helpful. It's more or less the same. Okay, would that work? Let's see if it was a word work. I think there's a space. Wait, did I do a space? Yeah, there's like a space. No, it doesn't like that. So it's just, you kind of gotta like just try a bunch of those variations like this. Like just try different versions until it works. I did put the space. What are you talking about? Oh, admin. Yeah, there's a space. Try no hash. Nope. I did try just a single quote already. Let's do 1 equals, oops, equals 1 dash dash dash. Nope. Hi, off the rails tech. With the or? Oh. Ah! Fat fingers. Ooh, that works too. That one also worked. The or 1 equals 1. Cool. All right, but we didn't even do the Go Buster part, so. Does this tell us anything? I don't know. I guess this means that we could have also done a local file inclusion, right? Maybe? I don't see any PHP files. I've only done local file inclusion, I think, with PHP. Are there questions open? No, I don't think so. Or a robot. All JS and CSS. Percent 27. That was the GoBuster part. You do this every time you find a web server. What? What was the GoBuster part? I'm confused. Why did we need GoBuster? Yeah, but I just ended up using the home page. So why would I have needed to do GoBuster? Oh, there wasn't anything interesting to find. So we just wasted time doing that. Okay. Oh, off the rails tech. See you later. That's normal as a pen tester. I figured. I just. See you later, off rails. Till next time. Thought you were just saying bye, so I was saying bye. What do you mean, what? What to your what? You test stuff, you find there is nothing interesting, you go on. I gotta be able to, might jump on mobile later, so okay. I'm probably gonna get off soon because I'm like really having a hard time focusing anyways. Oh, off in your thinking. Oh. Thanks, Rupert. Yeah, thanks. No, thank you. Thank you. I will see you later. I am used and instead of or and then used HTML instead of text. Oh. I mean HTML. Okay. Alright, I guess I can do... I don't know, guys. I think I'm done for today. I don't know. There's just like something about today that's off for me. But I started late, so I've only been doing this for 3 hours. Yeah. Shit. It's like way below the quota these days. Not all days are created equal. Hi, Rootmer. Yeah, I guess not. I feel like I didn't do enough, though. I always feel like that, though. Maybe that's the ADHD talking. Yeah. Let's raid BlazeBits. Let's fucking go. Yeah, I'm gonna raid. Oh, you know of Blazy Bits too? Well, it was a pleasure, as always, y'all. Sorry, I just, like, could not focus today. Hopefully, tomorrow I'm not planning on streaming, but, I am planning on doing a Thursday, so I'll see you all on Thursday. Bye!
Irrelevant issues often create more work than they save, so when AIs enter the equation, the stakes grow.
Caution. A virus has been detected.
Hey, Slyborg!
S1Y_B0RG virus detected in the network.
Hey, Slyborg, how are you doing tonight? Welcome in.